Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing fee and the pickup box, delete. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.